a great choice today with the 2019 Ford Ranger. Tough inside and out, Ranger proves its mettle. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: backup camera, keyless entry, power passenger seat, remote engine start, traction control, stability control, steering wheel audio controls, lane departure warning, anti-lock braking system, leather-wrapped steering wheel, Bluetooth, power steering, adjustable steering wheel, keyless start, cruise control, auto-dimming rear view mirror, four-wheel disc brakes, floor mats, aluminum wheels. Is love at first sight really possible? Let us know when you stop in.